Hello everyone, I am here with one more session of IELTS Cue Card. I am Kunjan Jain and I am going to present a cue card to all of you. But before that, I want to say to please like and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying watching my videos and if you feel my knowledge is worth sharing with others. Let us begin with today's cue card. The topic for today is talk about a small successful business you know. एक छोटे सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस के बारे में बताना है जिसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज है, जिसके बारे में आपको पता है. ये बिजनेस किसी का भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी अ फैमिली बिजनेस, इट कैन बी अ बिजनेस रन बाय समबडी एल्स टू, राइट. नॉट नेसेसरीली कि हमें किसी और का ही बताना है, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, या ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको अपना ही बिजनेस के बारे में बताना है. इट कैन बी एनी बिजनेस दैट यू नो ऑफ, वेदर योर फैमिली बिजनेस, a business of any of your family members, or a business of any person, any friend, any relative, anybody you know, but it should be a small business and it should be a successful business. So let's see what are the cues or the hints related to the topic. The first cue or hint is what this business is. Means ये business क्या है, what this business is of. Simple कि किस चीज का बिजनेस है. Who runs this business means who is the owner of this business or who is responsible for the conduct of this business, for running this business. How do you know about this business? Of course they said talk about a small successful business you know. So who told you or what makes you know about this business? आपको इसकी नॉलेज मिली कहाँ से, आपको इसके बारे में पता कैसे चला. And explain why you think it is successful. और आपको बताना है आपको क्यों लगता है कि ये successful है, right? So let's see what are the cues or hints related to this topic. So as always, I have written my topic business in center, and now I am going to share the cues or hints. Business, I have always told you to write some definition or some general statement related to the topic or some quote. So I have written about business. What business is? It is an economic activity that involves buying and selling, right? Buying and selling can be of goods and it can be of services, and there is profit motive involved in business. If there is no profit motive, then it is not business, then it is a social activity, right? Then the business I am talking about, what was the first question? What this business is? So this business is fabric trading. Second question was who runs this business? This business, my uncle runs this business, or this business is run by my uncle. For how long has he been running this business? Past 20 years. Then well established, right? And trading in local market. What do? They trade their fabric in local market, right? How do you know this business? Also because this is my uncle's business, he is my relative, so that is why I know about this business. And why do you think it is successful? I'll speak about it, right? And you can also say that it is well established, that is why I can say that it is successful. Okay, so let's see how are we going to start the topic. Thank you for the cue card. Business is an economic activity that involves buying and selling of goods or services on a regular basis with a profit motive. If there is no profit motive involved, it is not a business, rather it is a social activity. Today I am going to talk about a well established and a successful business that I know about. This business is run by my maternal uncle, and he is into this business for last 20 years. He is doing a business of fabric trading in the local market. He does not go to any further markets, rather he has restricted himself to the local markets because he earns well through these markets only. He started off his work As a commission agent, he used to buy and sell clothes on the basis of commission. He did not have any shop, he did not have any place for running his business. Gradually, with earning money, he's bought a place of his own and he started placing some clothes over there. And then he came in contact with some dealers who were willing to buy his cloth, and with this his business started. He faced many ups and downs, and it was not that initially his business picked up. He had to put in a lot of hard work. He had to burn his midnight oil, as well as he had to sweat a lot for making this business achieve what he wanted to have through this business. He had to work a lot to make this business at the place where it is today. This business is very well known in our local market, and everybody who is into fabric trading or everybody who wants to buy cloth definitely comes to his shop or definitely knows about my uncle. So this is the business that he has been running for past 20 years, and he has given his everything to make this business successful. Now his sons are also with him in this business, and they are using their expertise and professional knowledge for running this business and take it to new level of heights. Thank you.